So, as how was your day, first of all?
Absolutely rock star kind of a day because this is the 10th summit for Millennium Divas. So obviously it is like, this consistency brings a lot of power and this power brings a lot of joy.
Yeah, absolutely great. I have few quick questions for you.
Sure.
Do you think the stigma in the society is completely removed for women in entrepreneurship?
It's not. Perhaps if I have to reason it, the woman herself, there's change, of course, but the woman herself feels that I'm working because I have some time in the afternoon. I am working because I want to be financially independent, or I'm working because I want to prove myself. But ideally, a woman needs to start thinking and believing that I have to contribute to the GDP of the country. The day that happens, I think the stigma will go out a lot.
Very true. Women, you should understand this. Okay. One soft skill which you want every woman should learn.
Um, Clarity and confidence, because the empathy is so large that sometimes we overdo things as women, whether it is making food for the family or building up a business. We sometimes overdo and we stress ourselves. So I guess that clarity of structure as to how much is too much, and the confidence that this is how it is and I will append it and inflate it as I go by. So that phase by phase level of clarity and confidence can help a woman a lot.
Correct. Very true. Okay. What's the lesson you have learned hard way in your life?
As I said, your confidence is something that takes you ahead. But as a woman, I have faced this, and I think every woman faces this, that we validate ourselves a lot with what people perceive us. So whether we are wearing an outfit or we have cooked a food, or as I said, set up a business, we want that validation from somebody. We crave for appreciations, and that's where we forget to appreciate our own self sometimes. So it's okay to be, imperfect. It's okay to evolve. And it's okay to appreciate yourself for what you have done so far and then take it forward step by step.
Very true. Very true. What's the advice for the woman watching this video?
Oh, that's a good question. So, I just heard Shweta Shalini ji speaking about Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati that exists in every woman. So, especially because this is an entrepreneurs summit, there are 3 C's that we need to understand. One is compliance. So integrity is already high in a woman. So she needs to be very, very sure of the compliance and processes in her organization. Whether be the environment different, but she needs to be very, very stuck to it. So that compliance makes her Durga. She needs to have the capital, and she has to be very, very clear about what kind of capital she wants to escalate her business. So that capital makes her the Lakshmi. And she needs to take care of her own self, because otherwise the entire ecosystem that she has built will go for a toss. So that confidence will make her the Saraswati.
Wow, very nicely explained the concept of Lakshmi, Durga, and Saraswati. Very nice. Okay, let's have a quick rapid fire.
Sure.
All women team or diverse team?
Diverse tea.
Coffee or green tea?
Both.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Okay. Laptop or phone?
Actually, both. Phone.
Okay. Text person or a call person?
Call.
Great. Morning hustle or a night owl?
Night owl for personal work and morning hustle for the home.
So, both in that case. As an investor, product market fit or founder market fit?
Product market fit.
Okay. Hire for skill or hire for attitude?
The attitude itself is the skill.
Great, great, great. Nice talking to you.
Absolutely.
One thing about Millennium Divas.
I think it has that charm and it has the personality of its own. which spreads across to every woman and builds her personality every single year.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prachi.